Today we will be reviewing this hairdryer from Dreame machine. When you first look at it, you just know it's a clone, a copy of the one from Dyson. It's pretty nice. The filter is magnetic and snaps into place. There are only two buttons. Slide up for low or high fan. Press this button to toggle through the temperature, hot, medium, cold, or pulsate between hot and cold. The cord is about 5 feet, and I don't know if it matters or not, but there is no ground right here. Only hot and neutral. Of course, you got the reset and test buttons. Here it is compared to a $20 bill, just for you to see how small or how big it is. This thing is super lightweight compared to other hairdryer that I have ever used. Small, but still very powerful. For comparison, this is the turbo power that most salons use. It is much bigger and heavier. A lot heavier, I would say, and a lot noisier too. The cord is super long just because they use it at the salon. That's why I have this cable organizer to shorten the cord. Of course, you got the two buttons for test and reset at the end. This dryer has a lot more options for faster control of the fan and speed. When you open the box, there's not much. You got the hair dryer, the manual, and this attachment to concentrate the air into your face, into your hair. It says efficient and fast drying, and I believe it. It is so fast, much faster than my other dryers. It is lightweight, that's for sure. Negative ions for smooth hair. I have no idea what that is and not sure if that works. The motor is crazy fast at 110,000 RPM digital motor. That's just crazy fast and somehow still quiet. That part I can confirm. By the way, if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and will recommend to others like yourself. Just for fun, let's connect this to the EcoFlow to see how much power it consumes. Turn the power bank on. Turn AC to on. The maximum speed and heat use 1121 watts. Let's lower the fan speed. With low fan, power drops down to 750 watts. One of the things you might notice is that the heat will adjust accordingly, so your hair will not get super hot. You can see how it's adjusting the heat in real time with the fluctuating watts on the EcoFlow. Let's do the same test with this turbo power. At maximum heat and maximum fan, the wattage is about 1400. At medium fan power drops down to about 750 watts and stay there because this dryer does not monitor the temperature. If you don't move the dryer, your hair will definitely get hotter and hotter and hotter. They say this dryer is pretty quiet, so let's do a noise comparison. We are in a room with nothing on except the humidifier in the background. With just the humidifier on, it's about 35 decibels. Let's turn on the hairdryer with maximum heat and maximum fan. Looks like it's averaging at around 67 and 68. We'll do the same test with the Dreame hairdryer. At maximum heat and maximum fan, it peaked at about 62 decibels, and that's really good. I find that I'm able to talk to my kids while drying the hair, no issue at all. The kids love it too, as it is lightweight. My 8-year-old dries his own hair without struggling to balance the dryer. This machine is just shockingly good, and the price is just a quarter of what the Dyson is asking for. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.